What's up guys, it's Bonfire again and welcome to part 4 and most probably the final part of my Firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. So what we've got here is the party selection box, as you can see over there, the party one from Bright Star. And today we're going to take a look through this, plus a few extra bits I got from Latif's, just like this box, and a few other bits from a garden centre as well. So yeah, firstly let's take a look through this party box. So the last Firework stash I showed you, we went through the Imperial selection box, and this is the party one. So it's got mostly the same products in here, but there's a few other different bits as well, like them smaller fountains there. So yeah, let's take a look through it. So let's start with these wheels. It's got one wheel the same as Imperial there, the one with its name there, but there's also this smaller one which is the Cyclone wheel, so you get two of them in the box. You also get these the same as the Imperial, the Etna fountains, that small one, and these two large ones, the silver and gold Mount Etna cone fountains. Also you get this, which is also the same, the fabulous fountain, but also this, which is different. So I didn't see this one in the Imperial box, which is the Cutit or Cutas fountain, whatever you say. But that's different anyway. It's a bit heavier than the fabulous one, so it might be a bit better. We get them, but also you get these four smaller fountains: Dragon Chrysanthemum, Spring Flower, Double Happiness, and Clustering Butterflies. So you get them in the smaller boxes, and not much further in them. They're 12 grams, probably similar to most of them as well. Yeah, that's got less, 10 in that one, 12 in that one, and 13 in that one. So yeah, about the same in each of them. I've also got this fountain, I think it's fountain. Yeah, it is. Which is the Cascade. That one. And also these two bigger fountains, which is Niagara Falls and Victoria Falls. I did buy these from Galactic Fireworks as well, so we've got 6 of those now. There's 2 in that box, 2 in that box, and 2 from Galactic. So I might fuse a few of these together, which will give a better effect. So we've got them, and we've got that's in the Imperial box as well, the Cuckoo and also the Mini Cuckoo. So both of them in the party box. And I think that's the last of the fountains. So next we'll go to this, which is the gold mine, which is also in the Imperial box. Just one mine in this box though. You get 3 shot tubes, single shot tubes, which is 2 palm tree burst and 1 star burst. So them single shots. And the same 3 Roman candles you get in the Imperial box, which is 2 coloured Roman candles and 1 Comitar Roman candle there. So you get them 3. And also 3 of these 19 shot barrages again, which also you get in the Imperial, but you get 5 in the Imperial box and you get 3 in these, which is 2 star charges and 1 missile attack. And finally for the box we have this, again also in the Imperial, which is this 50 shot, I can't talk, 56 shot Roman candle Starfinder. So yeah, we got that again. So we got 4 of those as well, so we might fuse a couple or a few star finders together as well to give a better effect for that as well. So yeah, that's the party selection box from Bright Star. You get all that. Yeah, so buy one get one free from Latif's again. And yeah, let's move on to the other stuff, which is first off these. Everyone knows what these I'm buying now. Atom Bomb Twin Bursts, which are super loud. So we've got those. We've got these two Angel Dust cakes, which are really pretty. 120 grams in them. So we've got two of them. We've also got two of these snowflakes, buy one get one free, just like them as well. Snowflake to Avalanche. $85.2 grams. There's the effects. And buy one get one free with these as well. You can mix and match with these Angel Dust Snowflake to Avalanche and Immortal Jellyfish Buttermoon, because they said to me don't want to mix and match all these. I didn't mix and match on these two, but just got those like buy one get one free, the same basically. So yeah, Immortal Jellyfish and Buttermoon. 85.2 in there as well. Yeah, the same, because they're the same size basically, so different effects but the same amount of powder. So lastly from Latif's, we just have these two packs of monster coloured sparklers. Yeah, I think you get 4 in a pack. Yeah, you get 4 in a pack there with them. And now everything I'm about to show you now are from a garden centre, which I also went to. Just a few last bits that I got from there. So first, we have two of these. You don't get buy one get one free from this garden centre though, but I just got two of these, which is the Excellence from Brothers. 290 shot whistling cake. $223.3 grams. This seemed to go on for quite a long time as well. On the video, it was over 2 minutes. This was, so could be quite good. So we've got two of them. Next, we've got this salvo from Evolution Fireworks. 12 shots, 78 grams. And this is I think it's goldfish and stuff like that. White glitter, black whale's tail, blue star, yeah, silverfish there. So that's quite, it's a low noise but quite a pretty one as well. Next we've got this fluff from Celtic, which is another quite pretty one and low noise, which is white spinners, I think. Silver spinners, yeah, 142.5 grams. So that one. And I think, no, not lastly, we got this Lavish, also from Brothers. This looks quite good, so I'm kind of looking forward to this one. 202 grams in there. Here's all the effects. 25 shots. So yeah, that looks quite good. Next we've got these Hong Kong candles. We've already set one of these off last night, so that video will be coming up as well. So I think these are 10 shots, if you counted them right. Yeah, 10 shots. So we got two. Well, we had three. We got two now. But I think we're going back to the garden centre to get at least one more. So might end up getting a few other stuff, but who knows? We'll see. And also from there we've got this Boogaloo 128 shot Roman candle, 339.6 grams. I've got all three of these now. I've got the Bomb Bomb, the Babadoo, and now this Boogaloo. So I've got all three. So yeah, and I think that was the last of the thing. So yeah, this is part 4 of the Firework stash. All this. So yeah, if we get any more, I'll just do another part to it to show you the new bits. But if not, I might just put everything together and just go through the entire stash as a part 5. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and this is, like I said, part 4, and stay safe.